Hi friends, so today we are going to build a hackster follower counter and display it on a OLED display. So without any further delay, let's get started. These are the things required: an OLED display, an nodeMCU, couple of jumper wires and a breadboard. Connect the OLED display to nodeMCU as shown in the circuit. You can download the circuit from my website, the link will be in the description. Place the nodeMCU and OLED display on the breadboard, then connect ground of OLED to the ground of nodeMCU. VCC of OLED to 3.3 volt of nodeMCU, then connect HCL to D1 and SDA to D2. Now connect the micro USB cable for programming. Now we need to make an API for getting the number of followers from your hackster website. For that, go to thingspeak.com, create an account, then go to apps and click on Thing HTTP. Then click on New Thing HTTP, then give a name. I am giving hackster follower counter. Now go to your hackster page. Mine is hackster.io/najad. Then right click on the followers link and click on inspect. I am currently using Chrome. I don't know which all browsers is having this option. Then some part of the code will be highlighted. Then right click on the highlighted part and from copy, click on copy XPath. Then paste it here in the parse string field. Then copy this URL and paste it in the URL field. All the other fields are not required. Now click on save thing HTTP. Now copy the generated URL and paste it in a new tab. If it is showing the followers count, then our API is working. Now go to my GitHub page and copy the hackster follower counter program and paste it in a blank Arduino sketch. Go to the 76th line and paste your API URL which we just created and remove the S from the HTTPS. Now choose the board and port and upload the code. Time. Now it's showing the number of followers that you have in your hackster account. Okay, now I will explain a little bit about the program. This program is a combination of basic HTTP client example program and Adafruit SSD1306 example program. I have made some changes here from line 91 to 93. I will show what will happen if I commented these lines. Now upload the code again. Open the serial monitor. You can see it is printing the full HTML code for the link, and also you can see that in OLED display also it is displaying the full code, but we only need the number of followers. For that we need to use payload.replace. Replace is a function under string class in Arduino which is used for replacing particular words from a string. So we have to replace all the unwanted words from the string, and here I am using some backslashes to escape the quotations inside the string. Just Google for escape sequence in C++ to know more about it. Now from line 98 to 106, the code is used for to position and display the text and the hackster logo. The bitmap for the hackster logo has been placed here in the top. I will show you how to generate the custom bitmap. First, just download the image which you want, then remove the unwanted parts and save it. Then go to my website and open the tutorial about display images in OLED, and from there go to image.cpp application. Upload your image, change scaling to scale to fit, reduce the canvas size, and if you want you can change the background color and invert image colors. And from code output format, choose Arduino code, then click on generate code and paste it in your program. If you want to know more about interfacing OLED and displaying custom images, watch my videos on that. So guys, if you like this video, follow me in Hackster and subscribe in YouTube.